Copy that.
Can't go out the windows. Downstairs is my only shot.
H2 report. What's the status?
Looks like it's not just the spider moving air.
Someone's taking us out!
If they've got the front and back covered, maybe I can go through the basement. Please don't squeak. Thank you. Pete's workbench. Web shooters? Perfect.
Boy! Freeze!
Send in a secondary team. Full sweep of the house.
It's him! Peter? Have to get past these hunters to find Pete.
You went down the next street over!
H3, secure your area in case he doubles back.
If I don't find Pete before they do.
Anyone gets curious, put them down. Craven wants the spider tonight. Nothing gets in the way.
Hello? Why'd you stop talking?
Must be the girl.
Down!
Stay on her.
Pete headed toward the next street over. Maybe I can cut through.
Who took out H2?
Unclear.
I will go look.
Hey! The hell's going on out there?
Please,
Don't tell me to shush!
get inside. Stay quiet.
He's He's heading for the construction area!
Pete's up ahead in that new construction.
He comes back this way. Make sure you don't hit him.
Listen up. The spider's not alone. That damn woman from the zoo is helping him. She took out everyone in the house. I'll skin her myself. The spider has been caught.
The more things go wrong, the more excited I am. Everything's unexpected now. Unplanned.
Checking construction area now.
I've waited so long for this.
First house clear. Checking second house.
I think Pete went this way.
Maybe we should just go loud and wake everyone up here. Really flush the spider out.
It would be madness.
But fun. We're losing time anyway. Spider.
Hope Pete's still behind there. How do I get to that house?
My hunters, you have been stalked by that woman this whole night as you tracked the spider. When you find him, she will be nearby. Bring them both to me.
We have to require that redeem. Slow down. It's a mistake to underestimate her. I know that she is. She Stay close to the spider. Hear from them when they're finished. Yeah.
Where did he go? The window. Peter, I need you to come. Miles,
Look up!
go after him.
Sorry I'm late. The hell's going on with Pete?
He's not himself. I think it has something to do with that suit. It's called a symbiote, and it's an alien.
What? Like he's wearing an alien?
Just help him, Miles. Please.
I'm on it, MJ. Spider-Man! It's me! He just threw a manhole cover at me!
Are you sure it was at you?
Pretty sure! We stopped outside the Queensboro Tunnel. There are hunters everywhere!
I'm heading over there now. Don't let the hunters chase him away again.
You got it! Let's change this up! Spider-Man, stop! What's going on? Talk to me! Thought he was just being weird before, but this is way different. It's like he's not even there. Target locked! Come on, snap out of it. How am I gonna finish my college essay without my favorite tutor?
I'm almost there, Miles. How's Peter?
Angry and not listening to anything I say.
We might have to try something else then.
I'm open to suggestions.
Miles, I need you to seal me and Pete in the tunnel.
What?
If I can just talk to him alone, I know I can snap him out of this.
MJ, I don't know if that's the best...
Now, Miles!
Man! MJ, are you okay?
Yeah. But I don't see Pete. Hang on. Wait! I just want to talk. I don't want to hurt you. Where are you going? Stop! You're gonna flood the tunnel! Stupid. Pete? I know you're still in there, Peter. You have to be.
Any updates, MJ? How's everything going in there?
Took down Peter, but he's asleep.
Is that good?
I don't... I'm gonna try to wake him. Can you hold off the hunters for a little while longer?
I'll try.
Remember your strike attack! Get out of the way!
Watch it!
You know, we're making a lot of noise. Police will be here soon.
Is that fear, Spy?
I'm just giving y'all a heads up. You're gonna have an audience when you move in a minute.
Target sighted! Watch his webs!
up! We need more time!
MJ! Okay. Gotta get in there soon. After I finish with these guys.
I'll get you inside.
Watch it! Spider-Man!
Oh no.
The crane won't respond!
Possible.
You're welcome.
Open it!
Pete, wake up. Wake up! This might sting a little.
MJ.
I wasn't trying to hurt you! Don't look, don't look, don't look! That's enough! There! That's my exit! Hope you managed better than I did, Miles.
We searched the whole tunnel. He is gone.
For now. But he will come to me soon enough.
How did I end up sleeping on a park bench? And why does it feel like I had the best sleep of my life? Weird dreams, though. Harry left another message.
Pete? I really need that suit back. Dad's working on a new cure, but I don't know. Bring it back, please.
MJ, what are you doing? Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I need that suit back.
Pete. What do you remember about last night?
I just remember feeling tired.
Pete. You're not yourself. That suit is changing you.
This suit is the only reason I'm still alive.
Yeah, it's pretty great, isn't it?
Why don't you pop some more pills and say what you're really feeling?
Hey, don't.
I'm busting my ass out there trying to save you, and this is what I get?
I said don't.
I saw your story.
I tried to tell you about that.
Yeah, but you didn't, did you?
I can't lose this job,
Your
Pete.
job is to write the truth.
I did.
The truth is, I'm the hero here, not you.
Oh. How was your visit with Harry?
Don't worry, Harry's gonna get better.
Thank you for being his friend. Watching you two grow up together. You're like a son to me. I am so proud of the man you've become.
Thanks, Mr. Osborn. I gotta run.
Are you okay?
Go. Please.
Harry.
I said to leave!
A lot of work to do. And as usual, looks like I gotta do it myself.
Peter, where is Miles? He didn't come home last night, and he's not answering my calls. Hello? I'm at my office. Tell him to come see me. Now.
Why can't anyone take care of themselves? It's always up to me!
No, I'm sure he's fine. But give me a call if you see him. Thanks, Tam. Miles! I've been calling you. For hours. Nothing. You know Miles has been hunting Lee.
I'll find him.
I'm calling the hospital.
I said I'd find him! I've got this under control.
All Miles talks about is how to be a better Spider-Man. Not school, not his friends. How to help you. Go help him.
How did I get here?
This place has tight security. That didn't work. Maybe one of the others will. One down. Just need to block the rest of them. There. That cleared a small path. Hello? Are these all prisoners? Lee. Was he here? Who was that guy who knocked me out? And what about Pete and MJ?
Big Spider-Man, perhaps.
Easy.
The smallest are often the swiftest.
Okay. Oscorp tech. What do they need that for? Oh. What? Why would Craven lock me up in here? Yankee, I need you, man. What is this? Poison? I have to get out of here. Those generators look like they power the fans. Better, but still not good. There we go. One more. Need to power up the others. guys no way out of here?
You will never leave this place.
It's starting to feel that way. What's with all the traps anyway?
Testing your worth, little spider.
Your boss is really pulling out all the stops, huh?
He always does. Now, show us what you're capable of.
That's all of them. There has to be a way out of here. It sounded like they were waiting for me. This place never ends. What if the hunters know who I really am? What if they took off my mask? What if... Genki, can you hear me now? Please. Did they get to him? Get to Mom? More hunters.
Craven seems to believe this will be the one. I wonder if he's right.
There is an electricity to the air, yes.
After so many have...
They've been stalking Pete. Did they get him? A tape recorder?
Every night, I dream of my last moments. My body lying beneath my ancestors' sky in a field fertilized by their failures. Their tears fall from the stars as fire consumes my corpse. For I have done what they could not. Only an equal may taste my last breath, and may they send my soul back to the quiet depths of hell.
I could bust through the door. It'll be loud. Maybe there's another way. That looks like an exit. I need to find out why Craven brought me here. Just have to get out of here and call Spider-Man. Okay. What's going on? This is... Okay.
There's no escape. I tried.
I expected you sooner. Where is the energy of youth, huh? Fight to the death. Or die here together.